Ayra. Ayra, Fe. Bulingit kayo mga nakatulog na, oh. Sige na siya, hawi sa kong tutay. Ana-ana paminduan ko. Tutando pa siya.
Hurt me,
Sa pagkaligo na, grabe naman. Grabe naman, pagtanong na ko.
chase me,
Sige na siya, ganana sa kong tutoy. Tingnan ko, ano, niliw ko kong tutoy. Pisit-pisit, pagtanong ako, gahangkok naman. Di ay natunog na. Bantaw na lagi na ingon sa tapad, mamay, tapad. Ana siya, kay gaduka na day
I'm
siya.
looking for my sister. Does she look familiar to you?
She's gone missing.
I didn't say that. Do you want to come and see her?
Pray man ni siya. Jesus ba? Ana rin siya. Amen.
Almost. We're going to be the last and only, please. To go. Almost like this, like
Prime ka,
this.
Jen?
What's the problem?
Jen?
Oh,
Nag-prime ka?
go.
Netflix man eh.
Almost.
Prime na? May prime daw.
99.
Ah, nagtanong ko prime. Puli-puli. Netflix na.
Lies, may lies, pele. Pala.
Wala ko yung eh.
99. That was 99.
Amoy Disney. Wala pa
Oh my
nag-Disney
God,
pa.
that was
Magkuha mas
so
mami.
cool.
Ay, mamong Disney. Siya naman pag wala po.
Wait. Papa, please don't. Please. Just watch.
Nakuha niya si Papa kaya series lagi daw. Imbis mahuman na to siya siyang Elias. Masyado na mga kahit yung Elias. Wala na so.
Please.
But it's not the right thing to do. And I know it's not an easy decision in Canada.
But more. Seriously.
He's right though.
1,
It is. It's really
2, and 3.
Sorry, Peter.
1, 2, 3, 6.
I think we should have
Go.
Jesus Christ.
We've done it literally everywhere
Go.
else, and it'd feel kind of incomplete if we didn't do it here. So who knows, like a special shit going on. So
Special shit going on. Your biggest psychic achievement was when you sensed that your dad was
Bingit